Clear the program first. Click MDI. Click Program. You can switch between letters and symbols by clicking repeatedly. Start the spindle. Click Settings. Click to measure center. Click on the record center. Move the spindle to the right side of the workpiece. The first recording point is when some debris appears. Click Record. Now move the spindle to the left side of the workpiece and record the second coordinate. Click Settings Center. The machine then automatically calculates the coordinates of the circle's center.